This week's pulmonary news is another article from Lancet Journal, that is ABRA trial on treating eosinophilic exacerbation of asthma and COPD with benralizumab. The main objective of this trial was to compare the role of benralizumab alone or in combination with prednisolone as a treatment for eosinophilic endotypes of asthma and COPD exacerbations. Total 287 patients were taken, out of which 158 patients who met the inclusion criteria of acute eosinophilic exacerbation were randomly assigned into three groups that were benralizumab plus prednisolone, benralizumab only, and prednisolone. The key question here is which is the better group? Eosinophilic exacerbation is defined as blood eosinophils counts greater than 300 cells at the time of randomization. In the early outcome measures, we could see that treatment failures were maximum in the prednisolone group, which was 74%, 47% in benralizumab group, and 47.2% in benralizumab plus prednisolone group. Another outcome was compared with prednisolone group versus pooled benra group, and the symptoms were better in the pooled benra group as compared to the prednisolone group, and more treatment failures were seen in prednisolone only group. There was significant reduction in treatment failure risk in pooled benra group, and no fatal events were recorded during this trial. Only hyperglycemia and sinusitis were reported in prednisolone groups. So the take-home message from this trial is that in patients with an eosinophilic exacerbation of asthma or COPD, a single subcutaneous injection of benralizumab, that is 100 mg, with or without a short course of systemic glucocorticoids has following beneficial effects. That is reduced treatment failures, prolonged time to first event, improved respiratory symptoms, and improved disease-specific health quality. The limitation is that we do not know whether other biological therapies have similar efficacy. What is already known about this topic is that eosinophilic inflammation is common to both asthma and COPD exacerbations, for which systemic glucocorticoids are recommended as per international guidelines. And what does this article add to our knowledge? That benralizumab 100 mg has rapid action in depleting eosinophils and helps in the reducing the risk of treatment failure in acute treatment of eosinophilic exacerbation. And this study may be the first new treatment for eosinophilic exacerbations, and it may help us to modify the future strategies of endotyping acute exacerbations and treating in obstructive air disease in future.